Asher. I'm in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia. And Lunenburg used to be very known for boat building. As you can see, there are boats all around. This building behind me is where the original Blue Nose was built, which is on the Canadian Dime. And once it was finished, it was brought out and then it floated into the ocean. And now there's some smaller boats that are being built right now. So let me show you inside. Come on. Here we are inside. On this boat, they're building the planking. Currently, they have 2 boats in progress, and that one over there that's painted is an old boat that they're restoring. And this boat is a new boat, but it's got a very old design. I'm with my friend Guillaume, and he's one of the people who are working on these boats. And Guillaume, can you tell me a little bit about what you're working on?
Yeah, of course. As you can see, there's no more deck on the boat. We rip it out apart, and now I'm putting back a new deck. There's kind of the cockpit part has been done, and now we just continue on putting back the deck on.
Nice. Do you know when this is going to be finished?
Hopefully in 2 weeks and a half or something like that.
And
Maybe 2 weeks.
How long have you been working on it?
Now I've been working for almost 2 weeks, but there was kind of deck beams that have been replaced. Like you see, those deck beams are the structure which the deck goes on, so I had to replace some of them and prepare the surface to be able to just start to put the deck on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.